Imagine a world where steel structures crumble, bridges collapse, and ships sink due to a single, seemingly insignificant flaw, until you see it with your own eyes underwater. Meet the underwater welders, unsung heroes who breathe life into steel under pressure. Theirs is a world of confined spaces, darkness, and relentless time constraints. With every level, we'll explore the hidden costs of this high-stakes career, from certification to leadership positions. Buckle up as we dive into the depths of their profession. For those just starting out, it's a baptism by fire. Assist experienced welders, learn from their mistakes, and develop essential skills like underwater cutting and welding procedures. Your salary? A modest $40,000 to $50,000 annually. After XX years of experience, you'll be ready for the next step. With experience comes responsibility. As a technician, you'll troubleshoot equipment issues, inspect welds for defects, and perform routine maintenance on underwater welding gear. Your annual salary? $55,000 to $65,000. Typically requires X to X years of experience. Now you're trusted to oversee projects, train junior staff, and take charge of complex welding operations. Your salary? A respectable $70,000 to $80,000 annually. With XX years of experience, you'll be recognized as a subject matter expert. You've earned the right to lead. As a supervisor, you'll oversee multiple projects simultaneously, manage teams of underwater welders, and ensure compliance with industry regulations. Your annual salary? $85,000 to $95,000. Typically requires X to X years of experience. You're now the mastermind behind successful projects. As an operations manager, you'll develop and implement project plans, manage budgets, and ensure efficient resource allocation. Your annual salary? $100,000 to $110,000. Typically requires X to X years of experience. You've earned the right to lead complex projects from start to finish. As a project manager, you'll oversee multiple teams, manage timelines, and ensure successful project execution. Your annual salary? $115,000 to $125,000. Typically requires X to X years of experience. You're now part of the senior leadership team. As a senior manager, you'll develop and implement company-wide strategies, manage budgets, and ensure compliance with industry regulations. Your annual salary? $130,000 to $140,000. Typically requires X to X years of experience. You've reached the pinnacle, the top 0.1% of underwater welders. As an executive, you'll shape industry trends, negotiate contracts, and lead by example. Your annual salary? A staggering $150,000 to $160,000. Typically requires X to X years of experience. For those who make it to the top, the rewards are unparalleled. You'll be revered as industry leaders, respected for your expertise, and compensated accordingly. But remember, each level comes with hidden costs. Time away from family, constant travel, and the pressure to perform under extreme circumstances. Join us next time as we explore more careers that require skill, dedication, and a passion for their work. Subscribe now and stay informed about your next career move.